Instead of recapping on Autosmooth and the trauma it caused me, let's just talk about it on a technical level. Basically, if you right-click, you now have the option to Autosmooth from your right-click menu. If we choose that, you now see that a smooth by angle has been added, and that's really all there is to it. If you were to jump into the HardOps Auto Smooth Adjuster, which is shift-clicking sharpen, then we see that we now add exclamation points to that same smooth by angle, and everything's just kept exactly where you want it. When it comes to Boxcutter, if we were to basically perform a box cut, we see that the double exclamation point smooth by angle, the same one used by Blender, has been added. This is because I'm talking about it from a position of the future, talking about this thing in the past that, frankly, I don't even want to talk about the past situation that came up with it. But just know that we can right click, we can choose to auto smooth, we can choose to shade flat, we can choose to shade auto smooth, we can choose to shade flat, we can draw with Boxcutter, we can right click, choose to shade flat, and just know that it now works the way it's supposed to, because it just took a lot of trial and error and also bugs and possibly pain, but now we are now working with the new auto smooth change that has been added to Blender. So just know that you can always at any time right click, choose to shade it as flat, right click shade as smooth. You could just shift click sharpen to do it. You could do a box cut with box cut to deal with auto smooth. We try to handle auto smooth to the point that it's not even thought about by the user. But that still doesn't mean that the user doesn't need to be aware of it, because Blender is definitely trying to make it more well known by making it a prominent modifier in the modifier stack. So because it's a modifier in the stack, it has to be stacked, especially when you're maintaining such a delicate stack of the other modifiers. So for that reason, we are here talking about Autosmooth today. But just know that we are now past it, and Autosmooth is now good to go. For now. For now. I say that now, not knowing that it will break tomorrow.